there are 3 chords without the black keys. So these are C, F, and G. Again, C, F, and G. Okay, there are 3 chords with black keys. These are D, E, and A. Again, there are 3 chords with the black keys at the center or the middle. This one, D, E, and A. And the last one, the letter B, has 2 black keys. Supposed to be this is the B, this one, and this one, 2 black keys. T, re sharp, and fa sharp. Finger number 4, number 2, and 1. B major, okay. Again, from the beginning, without the black keys and the with black keys. C major, D major, 1 sharp, E major, F major, G major, A major, and B major. And then the same, C major.